Okay, today on SavinABuck is part 3. We are grouting this tile. This is part 3 of the flooring, and if you haven't liked and subscribed yet to the videos that we're making, please do that. It goes a long way, and we'll get ready to mix up our grout and start putting it in. We have our grout mixed up in the tub there, and then we have water and sponges to wipe it up with. We are going to start back in this corner and start putting it in. So we have a smooth rubber trowel, and then we have a little edging trowel that we use. Put a little bit on our sponge trowel and start working it in. I know it's hard to see right now, but we've got it all grouted in. It's all finished, and a lot happier we can put our room back together. And appreciate you watching. If you haven't liked it, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to us yet, and we will make better videos to come. Thank you for watching. See you next week.